Hi, welcome to Ibs Excellence Centre, which is in bracket IEC. Okay, today we're gonna learn about what we have in Ibs Excellence Centre, which is established in 2015, which is include machineries, including other equipment such as machineries that we have used to operate the IBS system. Without further ado, I would like to invite my team to introduce more about what is in IBS. So let's go.
Hello, welcome to IBS Excellence Centre. Today I will bring you to look around our facilities provided in IEC. Let's go.
Concrete mixer machine is one of most important machine commonly used to produce any part or component in IBS. Functional of this machine is to combine concrete ingredients between cement, aggregates such as sand or gravel and water to form concrete. To be effective, concrete need to be mixed well and quickly, which is hard to do by hand if produced in high volume. Mixer is ideal for all kind of projects from small to large construction project. There are a few types of concrete mixer in IEC. One of them is concrete drum mixer, generate using diesel or electric and has volume capacity from 100 liter and above. This mixer, also known as tiling mixers, and have a bowl-shaped drum which rotates in horizontal axis to mix the concrete ingredients. It has one opening which required to insert material needed and may use to discharging the concrete mixture. Next, we go to electrical concrete mixer. This machine, also called as open pan type mixer. Functional of this machine is to mixing large amount of concrete and cement easy. This pan type contains set of blades which mix the concrete ingredients. The mixture concrete is discharged from the bottom of the pan. Next machine is foam machine system, known as foam generator. This machine has a set of foaming system and pump to produce lightweight foam concrete block. Foam generator is used to mix air, foam agent and water to produce bubble before adding to concrete mixture. Formwork in construction is use of support structures and molds to create desired shape. Formwork is temporary or permanent support structure into which concrete is poured and formed. In IBS, formwork can be made using steel, plastic, aluminum, timber formwork and so on. Benefits of using reusable formwork compared to conventional construction method are cost saving, less labor, environmental friendly and so on. In IEC, we have plastic formwork system set. This formwork also functional to shape reinforced concrete while concrete is set. This formwork made from plastic and had bolts to grip each side of formwork. It can reuse about 100 times when properly used and more suit to use at site. Next is concrete block formwork system set with size 500 mm in length, 250 mm height and 100 mm width. Material of this formwork is steel and may be used for several times. This formwork is used to produce lightweight concrete block. This type of concrete block suitable used as wall in IBS. Next is concrete block making or conveyor is used to produce concrete block as a wall in uniform size. This machine has a conveyor that installed directly to open pan mixer. Functional of conveyor is easy to transport concrete mixture straight directly to concrete block making. Our next machine is interlocking clay brick maker. Interlocking bricks are used to construct wall without use cement mortar. The composition in interlocking clay brick is cement, sand, clay and water which is mixed well together, and then this mixture is poured into brick maker and compressed to form high-density interlocking bricks. Last mold commonly used in IEC is concrete cube mold set with dimension 150 mm in length, 150 mm height and 150 mm width. This mold used to produce a few samples of concrete before conducting several testing in hardened concrete such as compressive strength test. Our next machineries in IEC are precast reinforced concrete frame for training and demonstration kit. Precast concrete is a construction product produced by casting in a reusable mold in site or off-site, which then cured in controlled factory environment, transport to construction site and lifted into place. This frame is used as a demonstration of installation precast concrete component for column, beam, and slab. This frame provided complete with overhead crane that may be lifted maximum capacity 9 tons. Overhead crane is designed to move, lift, or transport heavy precast concrete in different place. Precast concrete component was connected in several ways which may be bolted together. In order to do this, steel connector is embedded in the concrete at the same time of concrete casting. Others they can be grouted or concrete together. In this method, 2 members are placed in position and steel reinforcement is threaded between the loops. Then fresh concrete is poured around this reinforcement in a space left for this purpose. Next is lightweight steel framing system. This steel framing provides excellent design flexibility due to the high strength to weight ratio of steel, which allow it to span over long distances and also resist wind and earthquake loads. Material of this framing is cold steel framing and have a few shapes such as Z, C, tubular and hat. Cold formed steel is used for several products in building construction. Framing products are different in that they are typically used for wall studs, floor joists, rafters, and truss members. Several types of connection in this framing are welded, bolted connection and so on. Lastly, in IEC, we also provide a classroom as a learning space to do discussion with others. This classroom setting is arranged to suit the amount of student, around 40 students at one time. It also provides a set of projectors and others complete with lighting, air conditioning and complete set of furniture to give a comfort situation while we are in this classroom. Our students mostly used all facilities provided while conducting practical workshop in certain subject for each semester and used to completed final year project. That all our machineries and equipment we had and mostly used to produce IBS component in IEC. So, that's all from our team. Thank you.
Wow, it is so many input that we have get in what is in IBS Excellence Centre, as from formwork system, as from precast concrete system and other system that we related to the IBS. So we have know about what is IBS is functioning for. So that's all from us. Thank you and have a good day.